Another participant of Educate Madrid 2011-2012. And what is your name?
My name's Robert Rupp.
Robert Rapp? Tell us a little bit about your background, nationality, where do you live, what do you do?
I'm from Nevada in the United States, and I've played soccer pretty much all my life. Also like to ski, and
Do you have brothers and sisters back home?
I have two sisters that are both older than I am.
Okay, and I heard that your mom speaks beautiful Spanish.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
used to live in Spain.
And what about you?
I'm getting there.
You go to classes with the International House?
Yeah,
Yeah, how many days a week you go to Spanish class?
I go 3 days a week, Tuesday through Thursday.
And can you say something in Spanish to me?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Yo muy bien, gracias. And how do you like the program here at Duque Madrid?
It's good. I like it.
You like it? Can you tell us about an average day? What do you do? At what time you wake up?
I usually wake up around 8:30 every day, and then go to breakfast and train. And on school days, I wake up around 7:30 and go to breakfast at 8, so it's a little earlier.
So you are here also. You are completing your high school grade also.
Yeah.
Online, right? With what is the name of the company you're using for online, the university?
K-12.
K-12, and they are based in the States, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and how do you like that?
It's good.
What subjects are you taking right now?
Right now I'm taking English, Algebra 2, and History.
And also you're going to Spanish classes, right? And I heard that you are a good student. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay. ¿Cómo se llama tu profesora?
Mi profesora se llama Amelia.
Amelia. ¿Y cómo es ella?
Bien, simpático.
Simpática, muy bien. Okay. Weekends, you train with Educate Madrid, okay? And then you train with the local team. You know the name of the team?
Alcobendas Sport.
Alcobendas Sport. And how do you like that?
It's good. The trainings are good.
But how old are the players that play with you there in Alcobendas?
Most of them are pretty good, and some are better than some of the guys in Educate, but it's pretty good level soccer.
Very good level. And how old are they?
All 18 and
18
under.
and how old are you right now?
I just turned 16.
Okay, and I heard that you are such a brave and courageous player that you are playing with the adult local league also on Sunday.
Yeah, with the Educate team.
And I heard that you're doing very well. How do you like that?
It's good. I've never played against older players like that, so it's a new
Like
experience.
how old? 25 and 26, something like that?
Yeah.
Okay, and I saw you last weekend and you did pretty well. Okay, is anything that you want to say for, to people in the United States that they are your age and they would like to come to Educate?
Well, it's a great experience, and you get to learn a lot of things in soccer and Spanish. So.
And how do you compare American football or soccer with Spanish football?
Spanish football, I think, is a lot better.
Why?
Most of the time. They seem smarter about the game, better control, passing. And
so do you really feel that you're improving your football?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, good. And do you like to play the Spanish style?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We are very happy with you here in Educate Madrid. And we hope that you stay with us for a couple of more years with us. Okay?
Okay.
Adios.
Adios.